How to cancel NFL Sunday tickets. Now to do this, you must log into your billing provider first, that is either YouTube TV or YouTube Primetime channels via a web browser, and simply tap on it. Now if you have already subscribed to these plans, simply go to your dashboard. Tap on your profile picture and tap on settings. From there you'll be able to find click on membership, tap on it. Then simply locate the NFL Sunday ticket from your active add-on list and tap on manage. Then there will be a click cancel menu or icon. Then simply confirm the choice by clicking yes and cancel when prompted. However, subscriptions are non-refundable and non-cancelable for the active season. And also note that cancelling the subscription ensures you retain access to games for the remainder of the paid term, but guarantees you will not be charged for the upcoming season. And that's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed the video, consider giving it a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.